Okay, so I want to share something with you. I've put together an image watermarker. So maybe you take a lot of photos and you want to protect them. You want to put your logo on there, for example. There's lots of solutions out there. A lot of them cost a lot of money, but this one is absolutely totally free. It uses ImageMagick in the background, and it has a few flexible options as well. So it's quite simple how it works. I'm going to link everything in the description below, so download those files and then you can modify them how you wish. So when you download these files, they're going to come with pretty much this information here. What you do is add your images to the same directory. So here's some images I took from Machu Picchu, for example. So you can see here, these are the images here. They look pretty cool, don't they? So I want to protect those with my logo. So inside this folder here called Watermarks, this is where you put your logo. I have one right here that just represents my YouTube channel, and this will go on every single image. Now, what this doesn't do is automatically resize watermarks for the images. It's something potentially you could add yourself if you want to, but this pretty much works, if you have the same camera making the same size images, it's going to work, but it doesn't auto detect the size of the images and automatically resize the watermarks. That it doesn't do, but it's free, right? So I thought I'd share this with you. So if you have multiple businesses or YouTube channels, for example, I have one right here, Tutorial Genius. So inside this file here, this is where the magic happens. So we specify as the first parameter here the watermark image. This is the thing we're going to put over each of our images here, our Machu Picchu images. We specify where the placement is. I have northwest. This is the opacity of what you're sort of plastering on there, your watermark. And then do you want to overwrite the original file? You can do yes or no. If you say no, it's going to create a folder called watermarked, copy all these images in there and put the watermark on top. If you don't care about these images, they're just a copy of the originals, then you can just put yes here. And this will be the named folder here where the watermark images go. So that's sort of how it works. It's quite simple. And this is where all the magic happens. It's just a script that puts everything together. So very simple. You drop your images in here. You just double click this and you wait. That's all it takes. So now it's watermarking every image in here and putting them in this folder called watermarked. And when it's done with that, it will let you know, and you can press the key to continue. But if we look in this folder now, you see it's churning them out one by one. And if we open each image here, you can see every one has been watermarked. So it's pretty cool, isn't it? It's quite a cheap, free solution. Anything free is cool, I guess. If you want to modify this in some way, you can resize your watermarks, make them bigger or smaller. What you can also do, if you have a couple businesses or a couple YouTube channels, whatever you want, you can just copy this script right here and call it, say, channel 2. That could be your secondary YouTube channel, for example. Inside here, the only thing you need to modify here is the watermarked image. So we're just going to change that to channel 2, assuming this file exists in this directory, which will be in here. You say you'll have your channel 2 watermark right here, and then you just double click this script and it's going to put that watermark on all the images. So it's very flexible. You just kind of copy and paste this bat file right here. Now that will be enough for everyone to get on with what they want to do, watermark some images, go on your way. If you're a developer and you have a little bit of skill, you want to modify this, then you can modify this file right here. It's called batch watermarker, and this is where all the meat of the operation lies. So it's something you can explore and modify, and there's not really much to it. So in here, what it should do in the future, I literally spent about 5 minutes on this script. It should get the image dimensions here, and then it should resize the watermark for that image. So that would be something pretty cool we could add into this software right here, because now it just assumes every image is the right size, but there's a bit of code here that gets the image dimensions for each image, puts them into variables here, and then it should resize the watermark or something like that, or it could even get a different sized watermark and apply that, which would be quite easy to do. So yeah, so I thought this might be useful for those of you who need a watermarking tool. You don't want to pay any money. It's really quick and simple, so you can get on your way with that. If you want to make modifications, leave a comment in the description below. Share a link with me. You can use the contact button on my YouTube account to send me a message, and I can modify this software, re-update the link and share it with everybody. So it's a bit of a team effort here, but yeah, if you need software like this, check it out. I hope it's useful for you, and if you want to see any more freebies in the future, like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Take care.